I'm delighted to be here today. I feel privileged to be a part of this event. It is a great pleasure for me to say something before you on today's topic, and the topic is my digital detox. I would like to talk about phone. We love our phones, but we need breaks. We call this is a digital detox. Why a break is necessary? Our phone are always on. We check it many times every hour. This is a problem. First of all, our eyes needs rest, and it is very hard as our eyes and makes us our brain tired. Secondly, our brain needs peace. When the phone is off, we can focus on one thing. We can think better as like human being. Thirdly, we miss our real life. That's why we using most use phone. We miss talk to family, we miss talk to friends, we miss talk to others people. And finally we miss talk to more of our people sit beside our, but we cannot talk them. That's why we using phone. This is called digital detox. This radiation is very harmful for us and our brain because we are human being. Thank you very much for your great patience and listen to me. Thank you.